Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to use Find My Device on iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your setting and then tap on Quick Reset. Okay, when you tap on it you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see option of Find My Device and just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see a new interface. Here you can see option of Find My iPhone and just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see the Find My Device feature is activated, but if you want to deactivate it, simple toggle the switch. Okay, when you tap on the switch you can see here to accept the turning off you will be required to enter your password, Apple account password. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.